My name is Balendran. I am the Vice President of General Motors. Today I am in Hyderabad today to inaugurate the free service camp. This is a mega service camp. In this service camp, what we are doing is all our existing customers can bring in their vehicles, and these vehicles will be freely serviced. And the vehicles will undergo somewhere around 83 checks. And subsequently, if there are any major repairs, this vehicle will be sent across to the workshop to carry out the other repairs. But in addition to the free services of the existing vehicles, what we do is we have arranged a number of other programs as well in this camp. So what's happening is all our vehicles are displayed here. Test drive programs for the vehicles will be given. And in addition to this one, if anybody make any spot booking here, they'll get a relief of another 5,000 rupees discount. That is for the spot booking. More than that, we check the vehicles for pollution control certificate. That again is free of charge. In addition to this one, we have got a lot of accessory corners right here. For anybody intending to buy any accessories, they can go and buy the accessories on a concessional rate. Other than this one, in any case, because there is, when the cars get serviced, there are a lot of entertainment programs for which the customers will be engaged. And there will be some quiz programs and some good prizes will be given to the customers and the winners. And in addition to this one, we have got some other corners for the children to be entertained. Basically, this is a customer loyalty program, and we wanted to show to the rest of the world and to the competition that we do take care of our customers very well. Coming back to General Motors and Andhra Pradesh market, now let me tell you, Andhra Pradesh is a very, very important market for us. Last year, we have sold somewhere around 3,500 cars in this market, and this year our target is somewhere around 6,500 units, and we are expecting a growth of close to 100% in this Andhra Pradesh market. And as on today, we have got about 14 sales points and 14 authorized service outlets here in Andhra Pradesh to take care of our customers. In Hyderabad alone, we have about 6 sales points and an equal number of authorized service outlets as well. We have Orange Auto as one of our dealers, then we have Kun Automobiles. And having said all these things, let me tell you, General Motors is absolutely serious as far as Indian market is concerned.